How to change profile picture on Zangi app. Are you guys facing issues to change a profile picture on Zangi app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. First of all, open Zangi app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now click on the setting icon. Once you click on it, now tap on your profile picture. You can see the option for edit profile info. Click on it. Now click on your profile picture. Now browse through the photo that you want to add to your profile picture. Once you select the image, crop your image. Once your photo is cropped, now click on check mark. Now click on done. And that's it guys. That's how we're gonna change profile picture on Zangi app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.